stop what you're doing right now and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the tutorial. Here I'm using the orange colour corrector from the LA Pro Girl Conceal range just to correct my dark circles. Now I'm going in with the LA Pro Girl Concealer in medium beige just to conceal further. I like to use a sponge to really pat in that concealer and really pack it into the pores so it looks natural and not caked on. Now I'm going in with the Ben Nye Banana Powder to bake under my eyes and give some lightness and brightness to my under eyes. This baking is an important step if you want your under eye concealer to really last you throughout the day and also to make sure that you don't get any creasing. Now I'm going to prep my eyelashes from the Empire Beauty collection in model Low Key. I'm just adding glue onto the lashes and I'm going to let it dry until it's tacky. I always use the Duo latex-free lash glue because it's just the best. This is going to help save you time later on in your routine. And now I'm just going in over my eyebrows with my eyebrow gel just to fill in some of the sparse areas. I'm using the Wonder Brow Gel in dark brown, and it's really important that you work quickly with this product and only use a small amount at a time. Otherwise, if you don't, you'll just get big marks on your eyebrows and you'll have to start all over again and cleanse it with makeup remover. So less is really more here, guys. I've also had a major upgrade on my brow game recently. Go back and watch my brow lamination video to see how I did it. So I don't need to draw on my brows anymore, I just fill them in and comb them. After I let the brow gel set for a couple of minutes, I like to go over and recomb and reset with Barry M's Clear Brow Gel. Remember the under eye baking? Well, I'm just going in with a brush and sweeping off all of that Ben Nye Banana Powder. As you can see, under my eyes look really white, so I'm actually going in with my foundation powder from Intelligent Cosmetics, which is a mix of warm and medium tan to get my perfect colour, and I'm going in under my eyes so it's more flesh toned. Now this is a natural look, so I'm going in for the natural nude tones from my Morphe palette, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Now, I have quite dark eyes as I've got discoloration and hyperpigmentation on them, so if you want your nude shade to be brighter, you can use a white or flesh tone eyeshadow base. However, I'm going without today. Now I'm going to contour my crease with the brown, slight shimmery shade from the palette, just to give us some definition and shape to my eye. Now you want to blend all of that out so you don't have any harsh lines, so use your blending brush and just blend, 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 and then when you think you've blended enough, blend some more. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Matte Signature Eyeline just to line my eyes. We're not doing any flicks or cat eyes today, we're just going for natural makeup today. Now we're prepping our own eyelashes for lash application by just giving them a couple of coats of mascara. Now I've finished laying that dry and I'm up to my old ways again, lining my eyeline with eyelash glue so I can get that super strong hold. And now I'm wiping off the Flesh Tone mineral powder that I used to give my under eyes a second baking, so it's all soaked in now and my under eyes are looking nice and poreless like they actually are white, and I don't have huge dark circles. Now, as it says in the title, this is a no foundation makeup routine for those hot days when you don't want to be sweating off your makeup. So what I'm doing is I'm actually using my mineral powder as a finishing powder. So it's a mineral foundation powder, but you can use it as a finishing powder too. If you want to use it as a foundation, you use a kabuki brush. If you want to use it as a powder, you just use a normal all over face brush. And now I'm going in with my blusher just to make those cheeks pop. And this blush is from the Body Shop. I can't remember what it's called, but I got it quite a while ago and I've used quite a lot of it. So you just want to use something nice and rosy and natural, nothing dramatic. Now I really want to get that summertime sheen, so I'm using an eyeshadow called Adobe Brick from Beautiful Me, and I'm putting it on all the points where you would tan and get that sheen. Now I'm going in with my favourite Kiko lip gloss, 22. It's my perfect nude, and I'm just smothering my lips in it. I just love this lip gloss, it's so moisturising, the gloss level is just unparalleled, it just feels like heaven. Now I'm going in and using mascara on my under lashes. Gotta have that step, otherwise your eyes just don't look finished. Now we're using the eyelash applicator tweezers to put our eyelashes on. If you don't have a pair of these, you really need one because it will make your eyelash application so much easier. If you use a normal pair of tweezers, that's okay if you're at expert level. If you're not, I don't suggest it as you might poke out your eye. And that is the finished look, guys. This took me in total about 20 minutes. It was really easy, really quick, and also it feels really light on the face, so it's really great for those hot summer days where you're all sweaty. You can still look fly, you can still cover your dark circles. If your skin isn't that clear, you can go in and use concealer on any blemishes you may have and then just go over it lightly with the powder, but you can ditch the liquid foundation for summer or forever if you want now. Thank me later. Guys, you can see I filmed that look in my bathroom, so I wanted to show you what this look looked like in natural light. As you can see, it's super light, super girly, and will just complement your natural beauty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.